Hello friends, let's start our today's drawing. First we will draw downward curved line this way. Then from here we will draw one more curve and another curved line. This is little bit small. Then here we will draw this and this side also same. Now we will take one bottle skip to draw the same way we will draw another wheel. Like this. Now we will draw a small circle in the center of the wheel like this. Then we will join this line. Now the top we draw two lines like this. One curved line, then one slipping line. Same way we will do another side. Curved line and slipping line. Also, we draw a small light. Now our drawing is ready. Let's color. So here our drawing is ready. If you want more videos like this, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.